Hey everyone, if you want to create AI study guides in NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn your learning materials into organized study guides for faster and more effective exam preparation. An AI study guide is a structured collection of summaries, key concepts, important facts, and revision materials generated from your own study resources. Start by creating a notebook dedicated to the subject or course you're studying. Upload lecture notes, textbooks, PDFs, presentations, research papers, and class handouts. NotebookLM will analyze your materials and prepare them for AI-powered study guide creation. Ask NotebookLM to create a study guide using prompts such as "create a study guide from these materials" or "generate exam revision notes." The AI will generate a structured guide that includes key topics, important concepts, and major takeaways. Ask NotebookLM to highlight important terms, formulas, definitions, dates, or principles. Create quizzes, review questions, and self-assessment exercises based on your study materials. Ask NotebookLM to focus on exam-relevant content and produce condensed revision notes. Save the guide and update it whenever you add new learning materials. For the best study guides, upload organized materials, use clear prompts, and create separate notebooks for each subject. A common mistake is generating one large study guide from multiple unrelated subjects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI study guides in NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.